What's poppin', you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? So basically, this video is all over the place and I don't really know where this clip is gonna go. So basically, I've had this wig for a good minute. This is what I came up with, and look at the colors though. I think I did a good job. So basically, I'm about to do the ball cap method, and I kind of don't want to do it, but I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna have this wig on for the weekend. So I'm probably gonna just do 2 layers because I'm gonna be doing some stuff this weekend, you already know, so I can look cute. This took forever to freaking dye. I dyed it like 3-4 times, I don't even know, but like this is the color I got. And this is not the color that I originally wanted. I wanted like a copper kind of color, but I came out with this. It looks brown on camera. Brown and red, burgundy-ish, and some black. I'm not a pro, so, but we're about to put this wig on, and I'm gonna do a little get ready with me or whatever. And yeah, so basically that's what we're gonna be doing. So now I'm not gonna talk no more. We're just gonna let the music play, and I'm just gonna speed the clip up. So you guys, this is the finished look of the wig. It doesn't have a part. So basically all I did was dye it like 4 or 5 times and I cut it. And this is what we're working with. And I think I did a pretty good job because I just think I did. But this is my hair. I never had red hair before. I mean, I did. It was like a long wig and I messed that wig up. So basically this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and everything for this hair will be down in the description box below. So make sure you check that out and make sure you follow me on all my social media, which will be down below too, and comment down what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video.